It's really pretty wild to see this bike come together because a lot of people really doubted this project. I would say that the biggest challenge was sourcing the parts. If it wasn't for our friends in our community, we wouldn't have found the majority of the parts that we needed. So when we got the bike, there was a Freightliner parking pass in the windshield. It felt like that was a connection to the owner of this motorcycle. So for us, that was an important thing to make sure we put back in the windshield upon completion of this bike. This bike spent its entire life in Charlotte, North Carolina, and this bike continued to live its legacy with me here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Somebody rode this bike in the 50s, and here I am, 70 years later, doing that same thing on that same motorcycle.
You gotta understand that we are a Harley-Davidson family.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
If you ain't got a Harley-Davidson in our family, you don't have a motorcycle. I think my father have told her we was trying to go through it. Maybe he's got 7.
I've worked on a lot of motorcycles. I've had a lot of motorcycles pass through my hands over the years. This is the nicest bike I've ever owned or I've ever worked on.
When I think of Harley-Davidson motorcycles, I think about leadership. I also think about tradition.
Just a way of life, pretty much, a way of life.
There's no other feeling in the world like riding a vintage Harley-Davidson. A special thank you to the Graham family for allowing me to be the next custodian of this motorcycle and to continue that motorcycle's journey.